Are you thinking of investing but are worried about understanding the complicated investment terms? The investment industry has a language of its own, which, just like the market, is subjected to change its meaning. Often these words are used by the market experts to sound intelligent. This helps them portray themselves to be the best in front of the everyday investors. Do you want to fit into the financial crowd and not just use but understand the investment terms? Then you are at the right place. Hello and welcome to Indian Money. I am Juhi, and today we will be understanding this complicated jargons in simple layman terms. Let us talk about bull market first. Bull market is a word we often use when the stock market is in an upward spiral and continuously rising. It is most often used to refer stock market, but it can also be applied to anything that is traded, such as bond, real estates, currencies, and commodities. Now let us move on to the next complicated jargon, which is bear market. Now this represents a period of prolonged fall in prices of stock market on a consistent basis, and it also reflects the investor's pessimism and negative sentiment. It is triggered by 20% near terms high. Another animal that is often used in the stock market dictionary is the dog. Now we can interpret this in two different ways. Number one, a dog can represent the stock that is a chronic underperformer and therefore something that can drag one's portfolio return. Number two, dog stock is the one that offers consistently good dividend yields. Another animal that may sound impossible to understand is unicorn. Unicorn is a term used for a privately held startup company which values for over $1 billion. As of August 2021, there are over 700 unicorns around the world. Analysts or stock market experts have strategy for everything. So let us talk about active strategy and passive strategy. Active strategy is when a fund or a fund manager is actively engaged in picking individual stocks. Coming to passive strategy, it is built on preset methodology of investing, which generally aims on purchasing all stocks on benchmarks or index. The combination of both active strategy and passive strategy is what we call factor-based investing. Now, this is a combination of both active strategy and passive index strategy that allows investors to target specific risks and return factors. You might have also come across the word momentum investing. This means that one is buying the securities that are rising in price and selling the stocks whose prices are falling. The next investment term is in the growing trend, and that's called alternative investment. This strategy requires looking beyond traditional investment revenues and holding more exotic asset classes. You may have come across the word blue chip stock. Now, what does that mean? It is a stock which is a well-established large cap company which has a high market share in key industries, that offers good dividends and has shown stable and reliable growth for many years. You can hear a RBI governor or a market expert say the word dovish. Dovish means that the RBI is keen to keep the interest rate low in a bid to stimulate economic growth. Another such term that they might use is hawkish. This means that the central bank is keen on keeping the interest rates high, which is mainly done to cool off economic activities and keep inflation in check. You're also likely to hear these words, overweight, underweight. Now, what does these terms mean? When an analyst uses the term overweight, he means that this sector or stock deserves higher weighing in the model portfolio as he expects the price to go higher in the future. Underweight means that the analyst is winding down that sector or stock because the prices are expected to go down. So let's summarize now. Today we have learned about bull market, bear market, dog, unicorn, active and passive strategy, factor-based investing, alternative investing, momentum investing, dovish, hawkish, overweight and underweight. That's all for today. Hope this video helps you understand the complicated jargons used in the investment industry. Although that's not it. You may come across many other jargons while investing or talking to the industry's expert. Let us know in the comment section below any new word that you hear. If you want to learn more about finance, personal finance, career building courses, business and farming courses, that too in 6 different languages. Then click the link below given on the description box and download the Financial Freedom app to start your financial journey. If you like the video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. For other informative videos on funds, stocks, investments and more, keep watching Indian Money. This is Juhi Singh signing off. Be wise, get rich.